Hello friends, I think you are very well and welcome to you in my channel TechnoShreya. Today we will talk and explain about what is RAM and what is ROM. So start. Now start. Memory is an important part of the computer which is responsible for the storage of data and information on a temporary or permanent basis. Memory can be classified into two broad categories. First one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Now talk about primary memory. Primary memory is a type of computer memory which is directly accessed by the preprocessor. It is basically used to store data on which computer is directly working. It has lesser storage than secondary memory. It is basically two types, RAM and ROM. Now secondary memory. Secondary memory is a type of computer memory which is used to permanently store the data and information. It has a larger data storage capacity than primary memory. Primary memory is not directly accessible from CPU. It is basically of four types. First one is hard disk, and second one is CD, and third one is DVD, and fourth one is floppy disk. We are going to discuss the difference between RAM and ROM. First, random access memory. Random access memory is used to store the program and data being used by the CPU in real time. The data on the random access memory can be read, written and erased any number of times. RAM is a hardware element where the data currently used is stored. It is a volatile memory. It is also called as main memory or primary memory. This is a user's memory. The software as well as data files are stored on the hard disk. When the softwares or those files are opened, they get expanded into RAM. It adds a user's space where the temporary data are automatically stored. Fill the user saves it into a secondary storage device. Again, types of RAM. First one is static RAM. Static RAM or SRAM stores a bit of data using the states of a 6 transistor memory cell. And next one is dynamic RAM or DRAM. Dynamic RAM stores a bit of data using a pair of transistors and capacitors which constitute a DRAM memory cell. Next difference, ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory is a type of memory where the data has been pre-recorded. Data stored in ROM is retained even after the computer is turned off or non volatile. It is generally used in embedded parts where the programming requires almost no changes. It is also called as a secondary memory. It is a permanent erasable memory. Gets initiated when the power is supplied to the computer. ROM is a memory chip fixed on the motherboard at the time of manufacturing. It stores a program called Basic Input-Output Setup. This program checks the status of all the devices attached to the computer. Again, types of ROM. First one is programmable ROM. Next one is erasable programmable ROM, and third one is electrical erasable programmable ROM, and fourth is last, mask ROM. So this is all about RAM and ROM. And thanks for watching this video.